Guys, so this is the Razer Seiren X, and no, before I start this video off, no, I am not sponsored by them. I just wanted to do this review because I was getting a new microphone anyway for streaming, so yeah, here it is. I'm not popular enough for sponsorship yet, but maybe one day. So yeah, let's get into this. So here is what it looks like. We are going to do the unboxing now. So give me 1 minute. I forgot. I forgot. You gotta open it from the side. So here we go, boys and girls. We got the Razer. Let me see if I can get it perfect there. Yeah, there we go. The Razer Seiren X mic. Here's what the outside looks like. It's pretty light. There's the dial and, you know, the power button and everything. It looks pretty nice. To get the other stuff here, so yeah. Let me open that first. I got, you know, the instructions and junk if I can get it out. Got all that. We also got, let me show you this. I suck at doing unboxing videos, but here we go. So we got the rest of the stuff, so I can set my mic up and have it standing on my desk or whatever. So, you know, got everything here. Show you guys it again. I hope you guys enjoy the look of it. It's pretty sick if you ask me. I got it for $100 at Walmart, and I hope it will do me good. I would do a mic, I would do like a microphone test, but I am not good at editing, so I'm not good at editing, so I won't do that. But I thank you guys for watching the video today. It was a quick unboxing video. Also, I will be doing a video soon where I will be streaming more soon as well, and I also be doing videos soon, maybe of me feeding my Venus flytrap. If any of you guys want to see that, and hopefully I can get a good clip of me feeding it, I will try to at least. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll take a peek at it one more time, and the contents. And it fell down again, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm sorry it's so short, but yeah, thank you guys again. I'll see you later.